That's a cat. Yes, you saw my sexy feet. This is fireworks. That's hideous. We're gonna look what we have here. Actually, what the fuck do we have here? Yo, what the fuck? Hold on. You very got small legs here. I think something. Did you take his fucking legs? Cause your legs are way too big. Yeah, you did. Oh, hey, well, here's the phone. Here, hey, your long legs are calling you. Hey, Ragdoll. Hey, Ragdoll. Oh, he loves it. Yes, you do. Oh, you're getting down. What the fuck? His tail's like 20 feet long. I'm done with this.